What are liquidity ratios? Liquidity ratios are financial ratios that measure a company's ability to repay both short and long-term obligations. The most common liquidity ratio includes the following. Number 1, current ratio. The current ratio measures a company's ability to pay off short-term liabilities with current assets. Calculating the current ratio is very straightforward. Simply divide the company's current assets by its current liabilities. Current assets are those that can be converted into cash within 1 year. Current liabilities are obligations expected to be paid within 1 year. Examples of current assets include cash, inventory, and accounts receivable. Examples of current liabilities include accounts payable, wages payable, and the current portion of any scheduled interest or principal payments. How to interpret current ratios? Number 1. If current assets are greater than current liabilities, then the ratio is greater than 1. This is a desirable situation to be in. Number 2. If current assets equal current liabilities, then the ratio is equal to 1. This tells us the current assets are just enough to pay down the short-term obligations. Number 3. Any ratio below 1, such as 0.5 to 1, indicates the company doesn't have enough current assets to cover all of its current liabilities. So what is the cause of a low current ratio? A decline in the current ratio can be attributable to an increase in short-term debt, a decrease in current assets, or a combination of both. How do we improve the current ratio? Number 1. By delaying any capital purchases that would require any cash payments. Number 2. Looking to see if any term loans can be re-amortized. Number 3. By reducing any personal draw on the business. Number 4. Finally, selling any capital assets that are not generating a return to the business, then use the cash to reduce the current debt. Next, the acid test ratio. What are they? How to evaluate them? And how to use this information to support you to be the greatest you can be. Thanks for watching this to the end. Click the link below to join us, giving you confidence around business and money.